Well, hello everybody. This is Reagan, your RV Traveler's Voice, and we're here standing on this hot sunny day out here in front of Ethel at our storage facility. We're going to do a little maintenance on Ethel, actually specifically on the Hitch, and we're going to swap out a part on our ProPride 3P 1400 sway elimination hitch. It's the yoke. It's seen a lot of miles, tens of thousands of miles, and we're going to swap it out with a brand new one today. So stay tuned. We'll kind of take you through the process. Shouldn't take too long, just a few bolts, 5 to be exact, and then we'll put the new one in and tighten up and torque the new bolts in. We'll be ready to go. And the specific piece that we're taking out today is what's called the yoke frame. It's this part right here, and we're going to swap it out with a brand new yoke frame that Sean and the gang from ProPride sent out to me. Quick turnaround here, and we'll get it onto Ethel and be ready to roll. This is what it looks like with the yoke frame removed. Got the yoke arms there, just waiting for the new yoke frame. Here we have the old on the right and the new on the left. Just about 5 minutes to take the old one off, and now we're going to put the new one back in its place. Okay, we got it all bolted up, bottom, top. Now the last thing is to torque the bolts to the spec. It's all in place, all tightened and torqued up. The bolt underneath is basically bring it snug. The yoke frame bolts are 60 pounds, and the yoke arm bolts, the big bolts, are 175. All right, we're done. Just about 30 minutes. All through, all buttoned up, all the tools put away, and ready for the next camping trip. Thanks, ProPride, for all your assistance. Stay tuned to RV Traveler's Voice. We'll see you down the road. Happy camping.